In this video, you'll learn how to put a weather widget on the home screen of your Pixel 9a. By following these steps, you will have quick access to weather updates right from your home screen. First, unlock your Pixel 9a and navigate to an empty area on your home screen. Long press on this space until a menu appears. This menu will include options such as wallpaper and widgets. Tap on widgets to open the widget selection panel, where you will see a variety of widgets available for use. Once the widget selection panel is open, scroll through the available widgets to find the weather-related options. Look specifically for widgets like Google or At a Glance, which provide weather updates. Identifying the correct widget is important for ensuring you receive accurate weather information. After locating the weather widget, tap and hold it. While holding, drag it to your desired location on the home screen. Release your finger to set the widget in place. If resizing options appear, adjust the size to ensure it fits properly on your screen. This positioning allows for easy access to weather updates whenever needed. Next, tap on the widget to configure its settings. This will allow you to set your location and other preferences. It is essential to ensure that location services are enabled on your device for the widget to provide accurate weather updates. Once configured, the widget will display current weather information directly on your home screen. You can move or resize the widget at any time if you want to change its position or dimensions. Keeping the weather widget visible on your home screen enhances your daily convenience by providing quick access to the information you need. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.